just want to be aggressive. I want to stop. I want to stop. Hey, my name is Paul Burr. I'm fighting Chris Mickle at MCC 24 Reloaded, January 16th. Chris Mickle is a real tough dude, but I'm tough too. I'm 8-1. I'm coming off 5 wins, and I'm ready to make it a 6. Chris has got a real big melon, so no matter where I punch or kick, you know, it's probably going to hit him in the head. Second, third round, doesn't matter. 30 seconds in, I'm just coming hard. So Chris, I hope you're ready.
I'm gonna wake Paul up from his dream. MCC 24, January 16th. Be there.
Focus. Keep it up. Keep it up, guys. Come on. Come on. Go ahead.